Welcome to Learn English as a Second Language. The right place to learn English quickly.
Listen and practice.
My family lives in a house. It's a cozy place where we spend time together, play games in the living room, cook delicious meals in the kitchen, sleep soundly in our bedrooms, get clean in the bathroom, and have fun in the backyard. Living room. In the living room, you play games, read stories, and watch cartoons on the TV with your family and friends. Kitchen. In the kitchen, you help make yummy cookies and pancakes, mix and pour ingredients, and sometimes even pretend to have a tea party. Bedroom. In the bedroom, you snuggle under the blankets, read bedtime stories, and have adventures with your stuffed animals. Bathroom. In the bathroom, you brush your teeth to keep them shiny, wash your hands, and take baths to feel clean and refreshed. Backyard. In the backyard, you swing high in the sky, slide down fast, build sandcastles, and have picnics on sunny days. It's where you have lots of outdoor fun. Listen carefully, and complete the task about the question. Where does your family spend time together? What activities do you enjoy in the living room? What happens in your kitchen? Where do you sleep in the house? Where do you get clean? What do you do in your backyard? What's a common source of entertainment in your living room? Where do you engage in shared activities like watching cartoons? What do you do in the kitchen to make delicious treats? Where do you engage in activities like making cookies and having tea parties? What kind of treats do you make in the kitchen? Where do you mix, pour ingredients, and have pretend tea parties? What activities take place in the bedroom before bedtime? Where do you snuggle, read stories, and have adventures with stuffed animals? Where do you typically read stories and interact with stuffed animals? Where do you go to keep your teeth shiny and clean? Where do you wash your hands to stay clean? What's the place for taking baths and feeling refreshed? Name a thing you do in the bathroom to maintain cleanliness. Where do you go to practice good hygiene by brushing your teeth and washing your hands? Where do you go to have outdoor fun like swinging and sliding? What activities can you do in the backyard? Where do you engage in activities like building sandcastles and having picnics?